My name is Shinya Wadagu, and I am the owner of Shebiology. I want to talk about the Repair Retinol Face Wash. This face wash was created purposely because of women having hyperpigmentation, having textured skin, having enlarged pores, just over from like acne, just issues with their skin. Well, this will help keep your skin tone balanced shade. Also, it'll help moisturize your face without drying your face. When you have a face wash, you don't want to over dry your face. That's not a good sign. When you're done washing your face and it's dry, it's not a good sign. But this, made with aloe, jojoba, retinol, and CBD, this will help calm any inflamed skin. This will help lighten any dark spots. This will help actually plump your skin too, because when you wash your face, it'll feel nice and soft. So these are just some of the benefits of it. So go ahead and purchase yours.